MediSave Honest review. MediSave UK is a prominent supplier of medical equipment and accessories catering to healthcare professionals and students. Their product range includes stethoscope, diagnostic tools, and medical apparel. They also offer services like laser engraving for personalization. And here are the key features about this website. They offer a wide variety of medical equipment and accessories. They also provide laser engraving for products like stethoscope, and they delivers products both within the UK and international. And here is the pros and the cons about this website. The pros is many customers commend the quality and authenticity of the product. Numerous reviews highlight prompt and shipping delivery times, and the engraving service is appreciated for its precision and quick turnover. And here's the downside about this platform. Some customers have reported challenges in communication and resolution of issues, and there have been an instance of delay due to stock shortage and leading to extended waiting period. And here's the final verdict about this platform. The MediSave UK is recognized for offering high quality medical products and efficient services, particularly their personalization option. However, potential customers should be aware of occasional issues related to customer service and stock availability. It is advisable to verify product availability and read recent reviews before making a purchase to ensure a smooth experience.